So a lot of people want to know what it's like to be in a blizzard. Well, the first thing I'm going to show you is the right way to handle a blizzard. You'll notice here, right here, is my little buddy Charlie. That's the right way to handle a blizzard right there. Oh, Charlie. What I'm going to do, because I want to share some of the joy of all of this with you. Oh, by the way, I probably should have mentioned this here, just so you can see it. That's 8 degrees, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. This light is on because when we came out here this morning, the switch was frozen in it, and it wouldn't turn on. It took me a while to get it on. I figured, I better leave that on. So, oh look, snow in the floor. Let's just look out the back door first. Woo! Lordy mercy. That's what it looks like out here. Let's go out the other door. I would try to walk across that, but I got about a foot deep snowdrift right there. I don't think I'll try to walk through that. My gloves are out in the garage, though. I'll go out and get my gloves on. So, let's see if we can make it. It's kind of deep. Oh yeah. It's kind of deep. Wee doggies. I think I might need to get the Jeep out and do some plowing. Sometimes it's better to do that before it gets too deep. I'll come out here and get my gloves on. Oh yeah, they're frozen. Yep. I can see where this is going. I guess I have to decide what I want to do. See, the thing about snow, when it's blowing like this, is you kind of have to decide, is this a good time to push it around or not? Because the wind might just blow it all back in and backfill behind you. On the other hand, if you wait too long, it's easy to reach a spot where you can't get out in it because it gets too deep. I think cranking the Jeep would be a good idea. That's what I'm thinking. Cranking the Jeep and pushing some snow. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do first. Let me work my way back in the house.